Om Shri Ganeshaya Namah. Jai Shri Krishna.
Welcome to the Shri Krishna Astrology Advices channel. Our motive is your success. We pray to God that the grace of God be with you forever. Please note that the horoscope prediction is based on Hindu Vedic astrology. In this horoscope video, you will know about this month, business, job, marital life, children, love, education, and health. You will know this month's remedies and dates where you need to be careful. Let's know about the planets transit in this month. Lord Sun. In the beginning of this month, Lord Sun will transit in Aries zodiac sign. On 14 May, Lord Sun will enter in the Taurus zodiac sign. Lord Mars. In this month, Lord Mars will transit in Gemini zodiac sign. Lord Mercury. On 1 May, Lord Mercury will enter in the Taurus zodiac sign. On 26 May, Lord Mercury will enter in the Gemini zodiac sign. 30 May, Lord Mercury will retrograde. Lord Jupiter. In this month, Lord Jupiter will transit in Aquarius zodiac sign. Lord Venus. On 4 May, Lord Venus will enter in the Taurus zodiac sign. On 28 May, Lord Venus will enter in the Gemini zodiac sign. Lord Saturn. In this month, Lord Saturn will transit in Capricorn zodiac sign. 23 May, Lord Saturn will retrograde. Lord Rahu. In this month, Lord Rahu will transit in Taurus zodiac sign. Lord Ketu. In this month, Lord Ketu will transit in Scorpio zodiac sign. Please subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon to receive notification of upcoming videos. Please like our video. Please share our video with others. Thanks. Sagittarius horoscope of May 2021. For the business. If you are into business, then this month is meant for you. Your growth will be very fast paced this month and business will grow. The projects that you lay your hand upon will get done one by one, in a way that your name will also grow along with your trade venture. Contacts will be made with new people who will provide you with some good strategies. Thus, you will be able to take the full advantage of this time. It will be necessary to proceed with the right frame of mind now. For the job, you will be successful in keeping your job safe. During this time, you just need to prove your capability in work. You will tend to have cordial relations with your seniors and win their confidence. With this, there will be strong possibilities for you to progress in your jobs. The influence of this transit will enhance your respect, and during this time, there are strong possibilities for getting promotions at the workplace. Marital life and children. This month will be highly beneficial for married people. The feeling of love in married life will enhance and the couple will come closer to each other and their understanding will become better. You will discuss everything with your lover and your trust will enhance. Those couples who wish to be blessed with a child may get good news. Lovers. The beginning of the month is going to be extremely favorable as per love point of view. There will be love and attraction with your lover and Almighty will shower its grace on the same. Also, you will remain drowned in love for each other. Students and education. The students will have a favorable month and they will have dynamism towards their education. Health. From the point of view of your health, you have to be careful and sensitive. Ketu is seating in your 12th house and Rahu in the 6th house can cause health problems. It is possible that you are already struggling with a lot of problems. Eye diseases related problems can be more annoying. You will get good benefits from medical counseling and the first half of the month will be relatively favorable. At that time, health problems will be reduced and chronic problems will cease to exist. Do not depend on oil, spices or stale food and eat nutritious and digestible foods so that you do not have any stomach related problems. If you keep this in mind, then you will be able to improve your wealth and avoid health challenges pretty easily. Dates where you need to be careful: 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 17, 18, 19, 26, and 27. Remedies. Chant the Mahamrityunjay mantra regularly. Recite Sri Vishnu Sahasranam Stotra every day as it will help you overcome your problems. You should donate wheat and jaggery and gram on Tuesday. Donate milk, yogurt, sugar and rice on Monday. Arrange water for birds to drink. For the knowledge of the planet's mantras and more information, please visit our website www.astrologyadvices.com. For the astrology consultation, horoscope counseling, horoscope matching and making of the horoscope, you can call us or WhatsApp us. Our mobile numbers are 9870575403 and 8595429185. Wishing you and your whole family very happy festive season. We pray to God that the grace of God remains on you forever. Please like our video. Please share our video with others. You can contact us for astrology counseling, guidance of children education, career guidance, business related problems, health related problems, marriage, love related problems, horoscope matching, Vastu and horoscope matching etc. Monday to Saturday from 10 am to 6 pm. You can call us, WhatsApp and email us. Our mobile numbers are 9870575403 and 8595429185. Email astrologyadvices@gmail.com. Our motive is your success. Thank you. Jaya Shri Krishna.